Welcome to the City of Detroit Office of Contracting and Procurement New Supplier Registration Training. Before we get started, let's determine if you're an existing supplier. You're considered to be an existing supplier if you are currently in the city's database. If you have a pre-existing transaction such as an active contract or purchase orders, or if you've received a payment within the last 4 years from the City of Detroit, you are considered to be an existing supplier. You should have received an email from do-not-reply@oracle.com that included your username and password. If you have your email, go to the city's portal. That website address is http://www.detroitmichigan.gov/supplier. Then click on Existing Suppliers. For more information, view the instructional video entitled Onboarding Existing Suppliers. Call or email the City Procurement's office. Phone number is 313-224-1500 or email procurementinthecloud@detroitmichigan.gov. Once on the supplier portal, you'll be able to submit your invoices, view your purchase orders or contracts, and your payment status. For new suppliers, you'll be able to register online. To get started as a new supplier, you will need your taxpayer ID, an email address, your business classification certification, your administrative contact with the valid email address, your bank and branch, and your bank account information, a voided check, and ACH authorization form. If you have those, you're ready to get started. Go to the City of Detroit Supplier Portal and click on New Supplier Registration. All areas with asterisks must be completed. Starting with your company's name, it should be in all capital letters. Select your tax organization type. Enter your tax country. Enter your taxpayer ID. If you're an individual, your taxpayer ID will be your Social Security number. If you're in a corporation, enter the taxpayer ID for your corporation. You may add a note to the approver. Your contact information. This is the person that the city will be communicating as the official representative of your company. Click Next. To add additional information, click the pencil icon under Edit. Include your office phone number. In the United States, if you add the number 1, click More. It's not the only country that uses number 1. Type United States. Click Search. Select the United States and OK. Continue entering your phone number. You may also add a mobile and fax number if so desired. Add a role to the primary contact. Click Action, select an ad, select the COD supplier, click OK. Click OK. Next, click Next. We will attach a primary address to the primary contact. Click Create. The address name is the city of your site location. In this example is Detroit. Select your country. Complete the relevant fields. If you enter your postal code, press Tab. You can select your city and state. Please use the state where it is abbreviated for the state's name. Click OK. Notice it automatically populates the city and state. Click the address purpose for ordering and remit to. We need to attach the name of the person to this address, so click Action, select and add, select the name, click OK, and OK. Click Next. If your business does not have a special classification, for example, veterans owned or women owned, you will click None of the classifications are applicable. If you do, select Actions, add a row, and select your classification from the drop-down list below. Select your certified agency. If your agency is not included in the list, click Other. Under Certificate, include the certificate number, the start date when your certification was activated, and its expiration date. You may add a note. Click OK. And since you said you're attaching a copy, click the plus sign to add an attachment. Select your file, click Open, under Description, put the certificate number. Click OK. Click Next. We will now enter your bank account information. Click on Create. In the country, add your country. If your bank and branch is not located in the list, please make a note in the comments section. Your account number is a required field, so be sure to include your account number accurately. For your note to the approver, be sure to include your routing number. Click OK. Click Next. We will now add the products and services. Click Select and Add. You may add as many services as your company provides. and then scroll down to the end once you have completed and click OK. Click Next. You may review all of the information that has been added in the portal. If something needs to be changed, you can go back, click the radio button, and edit accordingly. If for some reason you are not able to complete, you can click Save for later. A confirmation message will display stating an email has been sent with the URL for you to complete the process later. So once you complete your review, you can register. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your registration request. Please be sure to complete the ACH form as part of your registration. Send to procurementinthecloud@detroitmichigan.gov. After approval from the procurement office, you will be notified via email with your user ID and temporary password. This email notification will come from do-not-reply@oracle.com. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if it does not appear in your regular email. You will be able to enter the Supplier portal with your user ID and password provided in the email from do-not-reply@oracle.com. After you've entered that information, click Sign In. In the old password field, use the temporary password that was provided in the notification email. Then create your new password. Be sure to observe the password policies that are shown to the right. If you require additional assistance, please email or call the City of Procurement office. Their email address is procurementinthecloud@detroitmichigan.gov. Their phone number is 313-224-1500. Thank you for attending the new Supplier registration training.